How to see your Google account password. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily see your Google account password if you forgot the password of your Google account. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to see your Google account password in your mobile, first of all open your Gmail app. After that, click on your profile picture on the top right corner and click on manage your Google account and click on security and scroll down to the end, and here you can see password manager. Click on it and here you will see all your passwords. Here you have to click on your google.com and here you can see your email and here you can see password. If you want to see your password, you have to just click on this eye icon and you can see here your email password appears. So guys, from here you can also copy the email or password. So in this way you can see or find your email password if you forgot it. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.